Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this learning session. Today, we will continue our study of the chapter My Childhood, which is taken from the autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. And today, we will learn from para number 5 to 8. Dear students, in para 5, APJ Abdul Kalam says that during the annual Shri Sita Ram Kalyanam ceremony, my family used to arrange boats with a special platform for carrying idols of the Lord from the temple to the marriage site that was situated in the middle of the pond called Ramatirtha, which was near my house. At the end of para number 5, APJ Abdul Kalam says that it was the habit of my grandmother to narrate the stories of Ramayana and from the life of Prophet when we were going to sleep. Dear students, in para number 6, APJ Abdul Kalam talks about a very important event of his life. He says that one day when he was in the 5th standard at the Rameshwaram Elementary School, a new teacher came to our class. He used to wear a cap which shows him as a Muslim, and he always sat in the front row next to Ramananda Sastri, who wore the sacred thread. The new teacher could not tolerate that the son of a Hindu priest was sitting with a Muslim boy. In accordance with our social ranking, as the new teacher saw it, he asked me to go and sit on the back bench. I became very sad, and just like me, my friend Ramananda Sastri also became very sad. He looked very sad when I shifted my seat in the last row. The image of my friend Ramananda Sastri weeping when I shifted to the last row left an everlasting impression on my mind. In para 7, APJ Abdul Kalam says that after school, when we went home and told our respective parents about the incident, Lakshmana Sastri, who was the father of Ramananda Sastri, my friend, called the teacher and in front of all of us told the teacher very clearly that he should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent children. He clearly asked the teacher to either apologize or quit the school and the island. Not only did the teacher regret his behavior, but the strong belief shown by Lakshmana Shastri ultimately reformed the young teacher. Dear students, in para 8, APJ Abdul Kalam talks about the society of Rameshwaram. He clearly says that the small society of Rameshwaram was very rigid in terms of social divisions, but from this point he talks about his science teacher. He says that his science teacher, whose name was Siva Subramania Iyer, belonged to an orthodox Brahmin family, and his wife was also a very tradition loving woman. But my science teacher was something of a rebel. He tried his best to break social barriers so that people from different backgrounds could mix with each other easily. He used to spend time with me and always tried to encourage me. He often said to me that, Kalam, I want you to develop so that you could match with the highly educated people of the big cities. Now, my dear students, I hope all of you would have understood the content properly. So it's time to answer some questions. Dear students, first of all, we will revise the content that we learnt in the last session with the help of an extract. And the extract is, I used to collect the seeds and sell them to a provision shop on Mosque Street. And the question is, who is I in this extract? Which seeds he used to collect? Now think about the answer, my dear students. Yes, my dear students, your answer is right. I in this extract is used for the APJ Abdul Kalam, and he used to collect tamarind seeds. Second question, my dear students, is why were these seeds collected? Tamarind seeds were collected by APJ Abdul Kalam because there was a sudden increase in the demand of tamarind seeds in the market. Third question, my dear students, what was done to the collected seeds? APJ Abdul Kalam used to sell the collected seeds to a provision shop on Mosque Street? Last question, my dear students. What light does the extract throw on the speaker? And the answer is, this line shows the hard-working nature of APJ Abdul Kalam. Now, my dear students, it's practice time. Now, my dear students, it's practice time. Today, you have to answer one extract-based question and 3 short answer type questions. And the extract is, I felt very sad, and so did Ramananda Sastri. He looked utterly downcast as I shifted to my seat in the last row. And the question is, who is I in this extract? Why did he feel sad? Second question, who looked utterly disturbed? Third question is, why did he feel utterly downcast? Fourth, why was the seat shifted? And the short answer type questions are, first, what kind of poison was the young teacher spreading in the class? Second, how did Lakshmana Sastri reform the young teacher? Third, who was Siva Subramania Iyer? In what sense Siva Subramania Iyer something of a rebel? I hope all of you have enjoyed the session. I wish to meet with all of you very soon with the next module. Till then, take care of you, and thanks to all of you, my dear students. Well done, my dear students.